Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Blackmoon hair right here. How gorgeous is this hair, guys? How gorgeous. It's not only that the hair is gorgeous, but the quality of the hair is also amazing. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you how I feel or might share my thoughts about this hair with you guys. They come in this green packaging and the hair is actually body wave. Straight from the box, you can wear the hair without any glue or gel. I decided to wear the hair with glue so that I'll be able to wear it for a while and feel the quality of the hair before doing this voiceover. So I've been wearing it for a while and I am really impressed with the quality of the hair. As you can tell, the hair is actually body wave and the consistency of the wave is the same all throughout the length of the hair. The construction of the cap is very neat, very sleek. It has 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, and it also has an elastic strap for you to be able to secure your hair without any glue or gel at all. So that for me is amazing. Very sleek, very nice, and the construction of the cap is just amazing. As you can tell, the lace of the wig is transparent and the hair has also been pre-plucked straight from the box, so you don't have to worry about anything at all. You don't need to apply glue on your hair to install the hair, but I just did that just to be able to wear this hair for a while in order to be able to give you guys tea about this hair. But so far so good. I am loving it. The lace is melted, guys. The most amazing thing about the hair, apart from the quality of the hair, is the lace of the wig. It disappeared into my skin, melted. Like, look at that. Show me the laces. And it's the fact that you can actually pat the hair anywhere you like is also amazing. Look at that. The part is all the way to the back, which for me is a no-brainer. Look at that. I really love it. I am a huge fan of this hair. So all I just did was just apply my mousse. If you don't want to use what's it called, the comb, just apply mousse on this hair and you'll be good to go. But I have also brushed the hair, then curl the hair. You don't need to coil it, you can wear it straight from the box, but I just decided to coil it to show you guys that the hair can actually take it just like your natural hair. You can coil the hair, you can dye the hair, you can do anything to this hair just like your own natural hair. The construction of the cap is amazing, the quality of the hair is fantastic, and I like the fact that it doesn't have any nasty smell whatsoever. I'm really impressed with the quality of the hair so far, and I like the fact that the lace melted into my skin, like it disappeared, guys. The hair also comes with baby hair at the perimeters of the lace closure, but I don't like baby hair. I don't wear baby hair, but if you like baby hair, then you definitely like this hair. That fact about the hair as well. As you can tell, it was easy for me to style the hair. There was no tangling, there was no shedding whatsoever throughout the styling of the hair. The consistency of the hair so far was the same all through the length of the hair, which for me is amazing. So guys, feel free to check out their website. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Look at that, guys. You can style it, you can coil it, you can straighten it, you can do anything you like with this hair. I am loving it. So let me know what you guys think and stay tuned for the reviews. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about the Blackmoon hair right here. Look at that. It's a lace closure wig actually. Look at that. The hair is really soft. Oh my days, look at that. I love how soft the hair is, and there has been no tangles since I started styling this hair. So I'm just gonna quickly go through what I really like about this hair with you guys so far. I am loving, as you guys can tell, I wear the lace using a glue because I like to wear my lace with glue when I'm reviewing lace wig for you guys, so that I'll be able to wear the hair for some time before doing my voiceover video, where I can tell you the details of how long and the tea about the hair generally. So yeah, it's really soft to touch. There has been no shedding or tangling whatsoever throughout the styling of the hair. As you can tell, the lace is really transparent. I mean, look at that. Show me the laces, show me the lace. I really love the lace of the wig. It's very transparent and made it easier for me to, you know, be able to install the hair without stress whatsoever. This hair can actually be worn without any glue or gel whatsoever because it's a glueless lace cap. You can just cut your lace, apply the adjustable cap at the back, and you are good to go. Elastic strap at the back is very secure, so you can use that to secure the hair if you like. And another thing that I really like about this wig is the fact that if you're the type that likes to install your hair without glue or gel or anything like that, you have 4 combs in the cap to install your hair easily, and your hair would be secured. It's going nowhere. That's another amazing thing I like about this wig. And another thing I like about the wig is the fact that you can also use the elastic strap inside the cap to, you know, install your hair. The construction of the cap is amazing because it fits my head perfect. I didn't need for glue or gel whatsoever, so I am loving it, especially the lace, guys. Look at that. You can barely tell that this is a wig. It looks so natural, and I like the fact that their black is really black. Look at that. How gorgeous is this hair? Really soft. Amazing. I am loving it so far. I am loving it. Look at that. One thing that I really like about the hair is the fact that the quality is top notch. Look at that. I mean, the hair is so silky to touch, so silky to touch, and I've been running my hands through it all through, and there has been no shedding or tangling whatsoever. And I also like the fact that the hair has also been pre-plucked straight from the box, so you don't have to do anything at all. It also comes with baby hair around the perimeter of it, but I'm the type that doesn't like baby hair. But yeah, if you're the type that fancy baby hair, the hair also comes with baby hair around the perimeters of the lace closure. I like the fact that you can pat the hair anyhow you like. I showed you guys how you can pat this hair, and I like the fact that it's, you know, to the back, like so natural. If you're like me that likes to go for half pats, then this is also an amazing idea to move the closure to the other side. Another amazing thing I like about the wig is that you can actually adjust your closure to wherever you prefer, so which makes it even easier for you to pat it anywhere you like. As you guys can tell in the video, I actually moved the, you know, lace closure to this side for me to be able to have the center part and still have enough space in the closure to, you know, make it appear more natural. So it depends on you, it depends on the look you're going for. I really like that about this hair. But the most amazing thing about the hair is the quality of the hair, guys. I love this. And also bear in mind that because it's a real human hair, quality hair, you can actually, you know, change the color if you like. You can change it to, you know, any color of your choice. If you get tired of wearing black, you can, you know, dye the hair to any color of your choice because it's a top grade human hair. You can dye it, you can tongue it, you can coil it, you can do all sorts of style with your hair, just like your own natural hair will. If you don't know Blackmoon, they are hair brands that actually sell all types of hair on their website, and the most amazing thing is the fact that they have amazing deals on their website currently going on. They have all types of hair, lace closure, lace frontal, full lace wig, 360 lace wig, all types of hairstyle on their website for amazing prices. And based on the quality of this hair, I would definitely recommend that you guys check them out. Zoomed in. So yeah, but so far so good in terms of the quality. I really love the quality of the hair. No shedding, no tangling. Quality of the hair is A+ for me. In terms of the lace is A+ for me. And in terms of shipping, guys, the shipping took exactly 3 days to the UK. I am impressed with that. Like, trust me, 3 days, I am impressed. Their shipping is also very quick. I really like that as well. And their packaging is also cute because it came with a bag that you can easily restore your hair when you're done with it, so your hair will be neat and tidy. That's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out their websites and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys, thanks for watching.